When the sky has turned to rust and your throat is dry as dust, while you're riding towards the shadows and the shade, as your horses pound the ground, you can hear the welcome sound of the Hoofbeat Serenade. Then the miles begin to fly as the wind goes rushing by, and you know you've reached the coolness of the glade. You're in rhythm with your mount, and your mount is keeping count to the Hoofbeat Serenade.
The song of the wind, the hum of the breeze, the tune of a loon on the wing, the cry of a bird, and with it is heard the rustling of leaves in the spring.
Then the mountains take the sound, and they echo it around, till it comes back twice as strong as it was played. There is music in a horse, and his melody, of course, is the Hoofbeat